Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to explain the solution of this question. Sanderson Manufacturing produces ornate decorative wood frame doors and windows. Each item produced goes through three manufacturing processes, that is cutting, sanding and finishing. So in this question, they have provided the constants and variables here, and we need to provide the question in three parts. First is the formulation of an LP model, then sketching the feasible reason, and then finally the optimal solution. So I have already solved this question. Let me show you the answer. So this one is our part A, where D is the number of doors produced and W is the windows produced. And then these all are the constants I've defined as per the question. And this one is for part B and C. So after formulation, we need to depict the graph in the graph format using Excel. So I've created using Excel this graph, and these all are the constants. And the optimal solution lies between here, that is $26,000, and this one is our feasible area. So to get this question and Excel file, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp or my email address, which I'm sharing in this description part of this video. And hopefully, if you need any other question, help, or any other solution in that workbook, uh, this spreadsheet modeling and decision analysis, so I can just easily reach me out. I will be doing for you. So thank you for watching this video and good day. Take care. Bye.